guys, welcome to the channel today. I hope you're having a fantastic Friday as always. Just another quick video, having some fun. I have my Boogie Board, blackboard here that I bought a while ago, and I was trying to figure out what the heck to do with this thing. It's been sitting in the closet. And as you know, you can see up above here, basically you can write on this thing, right? It's pretty cool, see that? So, you know, like, go have a great day. Okay, so it's pretty cool. It's a little board that works, has some fun things. You can put 1, 2, 3, 4. It reminds me of an Etch-a-Sketch. Like you can go like this, but that doesn't erase it. What you have is you have this little button on the right side. But let's say you have to buy bananas, apples, onions. My handwriting's terrible, right? But it is. It's bad handwriting. That's why the OCR and the electronic devices never work. But anyways, I've been trying to find a place for this. A little magnetic pencil holder that actually works pretty good. It holds pretty good. You can put it there and it's going to stick. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a Boogie Board refrigerator message board, like a really cool one. So how are we going to do that? Okay, well this thing's $33, okay? I went and got some Magnet Source roll and cut tape. Magnet Source roll and cut tape. That's what we got. I'll put the description of both these things down in the bottom. So we've got about $35 altogether in this thing. Now you can, this thing has things that you can replace. You can put different kind of, it comes with these different things you put in the back of it. I'm just gonna use the blackboard on it. And then I'm gonna turn it over and basically I'm gonna cut a couple pieces of this and then we're gonna go into the kitchen and put this up on the living room and see how this works. Okay, so there's a couple magnets. I cut them. Let's make sure they're both the same size. We're going to see how this works. Okay, there we go. Okay, so now we're going to take these strips. I'm going to put these on here. One there. Voila. Magnet 1. Okay. And then we're going to go put this here, and we have magnet, ooh, didn't stick, magnet 2 there. Okay, so we got 2 magnets on the back. We're ready to go. So let's go in the kitchen and see if my quick and easy blackboard by Boogie Board works and see how this, if we did a quick DIY refrigerator or wherever you want to put it, magnet message board. Let's go check it out. Okay, welcome to the kitchen. We have the Boogie Board ready to go. We have a refrigerator right here. Let's go ahead and give it a test. All right, there we go. Look at that. Look at that. That is awesome. Okay, so if we put in here, go have a great day. Okay, so when everybody wakes up in the house, they're going to see your message. How cool is that? And then you just press this button. Let's see that. Oh, it didn't erase it. Maybe I got that. There it is. So you can lock your message. Okay, you can lock your message. But let's say we need bananas, lettuce, onions. Okay, so whatever message you want to put down, you got this board. And guess what? You can take it off like that and move it wherever you want. How cool is that? So that is my about $35 DIY message board. Taking a Boogie Board, magnetic strips, you can see everything in the description, and now you have a place where you can leave messages like, make it a great day. Or I got a better one for you. How about this? Subscribe. And hit like so the algorithm works. How's that one? All right, thanks for watching as always. Another video tomorrow where we have a lot of fun, do crazy stuff. That's what it's about. Creating your own refrigerator board message board, magnetic message board using a Boogie Board, blackboard, and a couple magnetic strips. It costs you $6. And you got a fun project you can do with your children. Put it up on here on the board. You can lower it down wherever you got a magnetic surface and they can ride on it, or you can use it for you, however you want to use it. I finally found some use for this Boogie Board. All right, go have a fantastic day. I will see you in the next video.